Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have this Toyota here with the check engine light on. Okay, let's try to see what is the problem for this car. Okay, this is a car, 2006 Toyota. Let me see the code scanned. Toyota Rav4. We have a code here. Let's check this code and see what's going on. P0138, P0138, oxygen sensor heater control circuit. Same code again. This code, oxygen sensor heater control circuit, oxygen sensor heater control circuit, oxygen sensor heater control engine fault. We have P1201. That means that's from the ABS. Okay, electronic power steering, lost communication with the fuel injector control module, engine control. Okay, so we know that everything say O2 some P0038, bank 1 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2. That means this car is 4-cylinder, just means that the sensor in the back. Okay, so this car we have a O2 sensor code problem. Okay, let me see now. Heater. Okay, now go back. Clear all the codes. Okay, read code now. No codes. Engine, transmission, anti-lock, body, there is no codes. Driver door, all this, there is no codes. Lost communication with the fuel injector control module. That's very weird. I don't know why I have that one. We're gonna go now to engine. Code only. Current code. No code. We're gonna do it again. 2 times supposed to be there. Current code. Or pending. Nothing. Okay. Let me go back again. Clear codes. Data display. Engine 1, misfire, monitor O2 sensor data. O2 sensor data. Okay. Engine coolant. Air fuel ratio voltage, O2 sensor bank 1 voltage, O2 sensor heater available. O2 sensors, monitors. That's the monitor. Bank 1 sensor 2, 99%. Maybe that's you see here 99.0. Heater monitor available. Bank 1 sensor 1, bank 1 voltage, but here the heater supposed to pull at least. down. No, it is supposed to be like that. 0.9, yeah. I'm not sure what is the reading supposed to be. Sensor impedance 222. I am not sure, but we're gonna look for O2 sensor data. Work here, but I may have to check if my code is there. I have to go through code analytic. That code never come back again. No code. Does it happen when the car is driving? Yeah, it come. O2 sensor heater control circuit high. P0138. Thank you for watching. Let me go and analyze and get some information. I'm going to use Identifix to see if it will help for getting this code. Thank you. Stay with us. When I come to Identifix here, they say that 42 people replace the air-fuel ratio, which is very, very funny. And then 14 replace the oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. We already replaced this one, but you see this is the ratio, this is 14, and this is 42. So do we have to get this one to check first, air-fuel ratio? I don't know, but this is Identifix. You can subscribe on it. I use it for a quick information and see what needs to be done, but for this one, the air-fuel ratio is already checked. I may have to go back again and look at all the data and check how the air-fuel ratio work. But in this particular code here, P0138, 42 people replace the air-fuel ratio, not the oxygen sensor. So I may have to go look for it. You see here, say we replace the air-fuel ratio, but might come back and did run and remove the vacuum, replace post-catalytic, replace both front and back, rear O2 sensor. Okay. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna try to see if I have air-fuel ratio, and then I see if I can replace it and take it from there. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I will give you an update if that was fixed.